learn how to earn. If you are there, you want to earn every 2 days 10k, or every day 1k. So what we have to do, you are going to see to first open our Play Store, then I show you some app which can help you to do that. Play Store, I'm going to show you the app. So this app is very real and it is paying, and I will be showing you my withdraw in another video. So what you have to do, you are going to first choose the app is called Premise. Then you open you search the app. So this is the app. I've already installed the app. So I will open the app. This is the app. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have turned on your location app. So these are my tasks where I'm going to first to answer these questions. Then I will be, these are the surveys, then my payments, my tax. So here, first of all what you have to do, you go to your location. You see my location is on, you tap it, then you put it on, then it will show that your location is turned on. So these are my tasks which I'm going to answer today. You just earn every day like 10k 1000. That's 2 days in 10k. That is 10k to 2 days. So my tasks which I have done, I completed. Here are my tasks and they are approved. So this app, you have to be patient. Then they bring for you the surveys or the tasks which you are going to do to fill. So today let's see how to do it. So if you want to register, they bring for you are going to register using your Gmail account. So here, let me show you. You see now I'm going to answer some of the questions, and those some of the questions they will be giving me 100. So let's answer the question slowly. Then these are the questions they ask me the question, then I answer the question. How now they are going to answer, they are going to ask me the question about the COVID-19. So here I will be answering the question. So here after answering some of your tasks, you go to my tasks, then you see the tasks which are approved and the payments. This is unpaid, this is paid. So here it is showing you that it's under review. So if you want to get the payments after answering your questions, you can just wait for the task, then they give you tasks. You can find when like one day I've given you tax for 1k, then now that 1k times 7, that is 70k. So that means that in a week you can earn like 10k. So what you have to do, you have to be patient. So this is the Airtel where you withdraw from. If you want to withdraw, the minimum withdraw is 18,000. So if you want to withdraw, you put your number, you add your number, you get to add number, then you add your number, then you pay, you add your number. So the minimum withdraw is 18k. So here if you have the MTN you want to withdraw, you add your number. So here you can add your number and save it. So that is the here is the cash out history. So if you want to make money, that's how you can make money online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.